Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Just received an awesome surprise from POSH Nails, and it's their latest product, which is the Happy Heels Kit. It's inside a pink POSH Nails box. And we have this card. Happy Heels take you places. It says, "Hi Posh Girl, a good pair of shoes can lead you to new destinations, and Happy Heels can take you even further. Our latest self-care essentials are here to help you step forward with more confidence. Happy Heels Moisturizing Heel Balm made with natural shea butter extract to soften skin, and Hug My Heels Gel Heel Socks with hydrating gel cups infused with rose essential oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E for extra hydration boost. Taking care of your heels is so easy with this pampering duo. Just apply the heel balm generously on your heels with extra glides on dry areas, then slip on the socks to lock in all that goodness. Leave them on overnight for softer, smoother, and happier heels. Wherever life may take you, you can count on POSH Nails to empower you every step of the way. May these be your companion in exploring new and exciting places. Love, Kat Ilacad, POSH Nails founder." Then we have the main product. This is the Happy Heels Moisturizing Heel Balm with natural shea butter extract to soften skin. And it's 50 grams. Here we have is a list of all the ingredients. Then we have its uses, warning, directions, batch number, and manufacturing date. Let's see a closer look at this product. Once you open it, it has another plastic cap. This totally reminds me of perfume sticks. And just hold this part and rotate it so that the balm would rise. It smells so minty, just like how spa smells. Then we have POSH Nails Hug My Heels Gel Heel Socks. By the way, they have two colors available for this socks, which are pink and blue. Look how adorable these socks are! Now let me show you the gel part of the socks. This will make sure that the Happy Heels moisturizing balm will stay on place when you apply it on your heels. And here's the description of Hug My Heels. Wake up to smoother heels with the POSH Nails Hug My Heels Spa Socks. It features lightweight and hypoallergenic material with hydrating gel cups infused with nourishing oils that serves as mini pillows for tired feet. Best used with POSH Nails Happy Heels Moisturizing Heel Balm for sweet dreams and baby soft heels. You can also see the active ingredients and the care instructions. Special thanks to Miss Kat and POSH Nails for sending me this kit. I really can't wait to try it. You can get your own Happy Heels kit at POSH Nails on their official website, Shopee, and Lazada. All of the links will be posted on the description box below. And I'll be leaving the link of their social media pages on the description box as well. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!